Hello and welcome back to the part 2 of Goa series. Today I'm taking you on a journey through a magical wedding that beautifully blends tradition, love, and the vibrant spirit of this paradise. The day begins with excitement in the air, from the colorful decor to the intricate details of every corner filled with life and love. One of the pre-wedding rituals of every Goan Catholic wedding is the Roce ceremony. And here we are preparing a big buffet of Goan dishes for all the relatives and neighbors that come to help the bridal couple and their family prep for this ritual. So here we have prepared kingfish fry, rice, some greens, and the authentic Goan prawn and ladyfinger curry. Do give this video a like if you love Goan food and have tried the authentic version of it. And here begins the prep for the pre-wedding sacred ritual, where coconut milk is poured over the bride and groom as a blessing, symbolizing purity, love, and the start of a new chapter in their life. The ritual starts with the blessing of parents, siblings, followed by relatives and neighbors. It's time for some Goan traditional songs and dance. And finally, the wedding day is here. Day 2, the Portonnem, where the bridal couple returns back to the bride's place to stay for a day. This old age ritual is done to symbolize that the bride is always welcome back to her original home. The wedding ceremonies ends with the final ritual called the Roce ceremony, where fruits and Goan sweet is offered or gifted to the groom's family as a gesture of goodwill, respect, and unity between the two newly formed families. This voucher is then distributed to the neighboring houses and relatives by the new bride. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the love, traditions, and celebrations of a Goan wedding. Stay tuned as there's another wedding video coming right up very soon. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and let us know your favorite part of the celebration. Do give this video a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. And if you haven't subscribed, then please do so now. And hit on the bell icon so that you don't miss out any upcoming videos. Until then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.